Maui Jim is a popular sunglass brand based not in Hawaii, but in tropical Peoria, Illinois. The glasses are high quality and have a guarantee. If they break, Maui Jim will send them to their in-house repair center to be fixed. That's what you get when you spend 300 bones on a pair of shades. Erica Hornoff was an employee in that Maui Jim repair center, and unbeknownst to her bosses, she started stealing spare sunglass parts. She took the parts home and began constructing the sunglasses from scratch. She packaged them with cleaning cloth and Maui Jim warranty cards and started selling the bootleg glasses online, fulfilling orders with her own personal FedEx account as a supplier to 2 online retailers. Over the 16-month period that Erica was selling the sunglasses, she received $105,000.